Now I will tell you about the Humphrey series in hydrogen spectrum. Humphrey series. So far you have studied about the 5 series: Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Freund series. But there is one more series that is called the Humphrey series. Was discovered by Curtis J. Humphrey an American physicist in 1953. This series arises when transition of electron takes place from higher energy states n equal to 7, 8, 9 and so on to sixth energy state. Sixth. Sixth energy state. So from 7, 8, 9 energy states, the electron jumps to the sixth energy state. Then this kind of series is formed. It lies in infrared region of electromagnetic spectrum. So this series is different from the Lyman Balmer Paschen. Other series of hydrogen atom, they are the Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett, Freund, series. So now we can have the spectrum of this like this one that we can draw. It is like this one, this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is now your 7. This is now 8. Like this. This is n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. This goes to infinity, up to infinity. So now what we have, this series is like this. This is our Lyman UV series. This series lies in ultraviolet region. Now this is Balmer visible series. Because this series lies in the visible spectrum, so we can see this series. This series is not visible to us. Then this is not Paschen IR series. Infrared region. This series is also not visible. This is no bracket. IR series. This is no Fund. IR series. So next to this, that will be the Humphrey series. So this is now like this. This is now Humphrey series. Humphrey series. So this is n equal to 1 transition takes place in the first energy state, then Lyman series, transition in the second state, then Balmer series, transition in third state, then Paschen series, transition in fourth state, the bracket series, transition in fifth state, the Fund series, transition in sixth energy state, the Humphrey series. So Humphrey series is the last series in which the transition of the electron takes place from all other higher states n equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. to the sixth energy state of the hydrogen atom. And this series lies in the far infrared, very far infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. So this is about the Humphrey series. So thank you very much.